Good morning. Today we are going to start with the ninth standard Maths 2 chapter number 4, Construction of Triangles, in which we are first going to understand what is perpendicular bisector, for which we will need a line segment, and to that line segment we have to draw a perpendicular which will divide the line segment into two equal parts, bisect into two equal parts. Okay, so the very first thing, the question is given to us: draw a line segment AB of length 6.3 centimeter and draw perpendicular bisector to it. For that we will need a line segment of measure 6.3 centimeter. So here I think you are able to see. So 6.3 means after 6, 3 lines, right? So I'll start from here, 0 to 6.3. Okay. So this is my line segment AB. Fine. To this we have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So for that you will need a compass. Okay. You have to take more than half of 6.3. So 6.3 more than half by mere observation you can take. Now here if you will check, it is more than half. Check whether it is more than half. Yes. So keep the pointer on B. Give arc on either side of the line segment. Okay. Then keep the pointer on A and give arc. Intersect the previous arc. Okay. So this type of two arcs you get. Now what you have to do is you have to join this two points. Okay. And give arrow on either side of the line which is passing through the arcs. Okay. Now what you have to do is measure. This is point O I'll take, right? Now at point O you measure the angle and find out whether it is perpendicular or not. Okay. So here you can check out it is perpendicular. It's giving 90 degree, right? And we have to find out whether it is bisecting the line segment or not, right? So for that, you have to keep the scale and check out here at this point. It's between 3.2 and 3.3. Means our construction is correct. Okay. So this is the way we draw the perpendicular bisector to the given line segment. Now this concept we are going to use to draw the triangles, that is to construct the triangles. Okay. Now very first construction of a triangle, when its base and angle adjacent to base and sum of the length of remaining two sides are given. Okay. So we will study that with the help of an example. Construct triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 6.3 centimeter. Angle B is given to us as 75 degree and sum of two sides, that is AB plus AC, is equal to 9 centimeter. This is given to us. For this we are going to draw first rough figure. So what is given is BC is given to us. Okay. BC, this is 6.3 centimeter. Then AB plus AC is given to us. So AB plus AC, we will consider it as AD, and that we will plot. Okay. Somewhat like this we are going to get. And we'll consider it as AD, I told you. Right. So this is 9 centimeter. These two lengths we don't know. Right. And here the measure of angle is given to us as 75 degree. Clear till here? So after that, we are going to draw the actual construction. This figure is very, very important. From that, we come to know what exactly we have to do. Okay. So here, very first thing, base we have to draw, right? So base we have to draw. The length of the base is given to us as 6.3. So 6.3 I'll be drawing. Here 6.3. This is BC. Okay. And with the help of the protractor, I have to first plot angle B. So angle B I have to plot, that is 75 degree. Now in the protractor we have two scales. Whichever zero is coinciding with the line segment BC, that scale we have to consider. Okay, so the inner scale we have to consider, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and somewhere here it is 75, right? Are you able to see now? 75. So that I'll be drawing now. This point and point B and the point which I have marked, I'll be joining, right? So extend the line as long as you can. Done. After that, what I have to do is I have to take 9 centimeter in my compass. Okay. So here 9 centimeter, right? 9 centimeter, then I have to keep the pointer on B and intersect the ray which is drawn from B. Okay. And that point will be my point D. Okay. That point will be my point D. Now what I have to do is this D and C I have to join. So D and C is joined. Okay. After this, what I have to do is I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of DC. So to draw the perpendicular bisector, as I have told you, you have to take more than half of it. So by mere observation, it's more than half, right? So I'll be giving arc on either side of the line. Give little bigger arc so that you may not have problem of point of intersection. Okay. So somewhat like this, right? And then join these two arcs. Be particular regarding the point. Okay. Join it. Now wherever this perpendicular bisector is intersecting the line segment BD, that point will be my point A. What it will be? It will be my point A. And this A is to be joined to C. Okay. So in this way we have to draw. Now whether we have to check whether our construction is correct or not. For that what we have to do is we have to measure length of AB. We have to measure length of AC and add them and check whether the measurement is coming correct or not. Okay. So here length of AB, you can see length of AB is 2.9. Here is it 2.9? So length of AB is equal to 2.9 centimeter. Then length of AC. Length of AC is 6.1. Length of AC is equal to 6.1 centimeter. Now what I've told you, add length of AB plus length of AC. So it will be equal to 2.9 plus 6.1, that is equal to, when I add this, I get 9.0 centimeter, means our construction is correct. Okay, now we move on to the next construction. Next construction. Construction of triangles when its base and difference between the remaining side is given. Here now there are two types of construction. The very first construction we are going to deal with. Okay, what is given to us is base is given to us YZ. So first draw YZ. Okay, YZ is 7.4 centimeter. Then angle Y is given to us, that is 45 degree. Okay, and xy minus xz, we will suppose that it is xy minus xz, we will suppose that it is xm. Okay, xm is equal to 2.7 centimeter, and this is to be joined, right? And we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of mz. Clear till here? Okay, so here we start with the construction. Very first thing, you have to plot YZ. YZ is 7.4 centimeter. So 7.4 centimeters to be drawn. Okay, this is YZ, 7.4 centimeter. Then at point Y, you have to plot angle 45 degree. Again, the inner scale you have to take into consideration, 45 degree somewhere here, right? And that I have to join now. So as subtraction is there, so we will not need the bigger ray over here, right? And 2.7 we have to plot. So what you have to use? You have to use the compass over here. With the help of the scale, you take a measure of 2.7 in your compass. So 2.7 means somewhere here. Yeah, is it 2.7? No, little. Okay. Now keep the pointer on Y and intersect this arc, intersect the ray, right, which is passing from Y. Now from Y and that pointer you have to join. Okay. Now this is point M, as I told you. Okay. Now this MZ, what you have to do? You have to draw the perpendicular bisector of it. So perpendicular bisector of MZ means more than half of MZ we have to take. More than half. So you can check it is more than half. I'll just draw the arcs on either side of MZ. Now by keeping the pointer on Z, then by keeping the pointer of compass on M, I'll be intersecting this previous arc and I'll be drawing a line passing through it. Okay. Somewhat this way. But here you can check that this ray is not intersecting with it. So you have to extend that ray. Okay. So I'll just be extending this ray. Yeah. Now you can check whether it is extended. Yes. So wherever the two rays are intersecting, that will be my point X. Okay. That X and Z is to be joined. Fine. Now what I have to do? I have to measure length of XY, and I have to measure length of XZ and find out the difference between them. And after finding the difference, if it is coming as equal to 2.7 or approximately 2.7, then my construction is correct. Okay. If you get 2.8, 2.9, it is considered to be correct. Okay. If you get 2.5, 2.6, it is considered to be correct. Zero point 0.2 difference is acceptable. Okay. So here, the measure is coming as equal to 9.6 of xy. So here I'll write 9.6 centimeter. Then the next one, yz, I have xz, I have to measure. So I'll take the ulta scale. Xz is 6.8. So 6.8, okay, centimeter. When I subtract when I subtract 9.6 minus 6.8, what do I get? I get 2.8 over here, which is nearby 2.7, means our construction is correct. As I told you, it may be 2.8, 2.9, 0.2 difference is acceptable above or below the given value. Right now, this is one type of construction in which the difference is given, where we have plotted the difference above the base. Okay, above the base we have plotted. Now in the second case, what you have to do is, now why we have plotted above the base? Because it was given yx minus xz. Okay, now in the second case, what it is given? Xz minus xy. Okay, so in that case, what we have to do? We have to plot this ym below the given base. I hope it is clear. With the help of the example, the things will be more simpler to you. Okay, now the example is, construct triangle ABC such that BC is given to us as 6 centimeter. ABC, angle ABC is 100. AC minus AB is given to us as 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so here we will just draw the rough figure so that we'll have the idea what things were to be taken. So this is BC. So it is equal to 6 centimeter. Then angle B, but naturally it is more than 90 degrees. So it will be somewhat like this. Okay. And this line I have to extend a bit down. And here I have to plot AC minus AB. This I'll consider it as N. Here I have to draw a line, join NC. And of this NC, I have to draw the perpendicular bisector. It will intersect this ray which is passing from B above it, and that point will be my point C, is a point A. Okay, I hope it's clear. And this way we will be drawing the triangle, right? So very first thing what we have to do is we have to plot the base. Okay, so base is 6 centimeter. So it will go above the line segment. So I have to be little down, and in construction, no conjugacy of the page you have to do. You have to be very, very, what you can say, a dildar type of person to draw the figures. Okay. So 6 centimeter I have to plot. So 6 is here. This is BC. Done. At B, what I have to take? I have to take 100-degree. So inner scale I'll be taking. So this is 90. This is 100. Sorry. Yeah. This is 90. This is 100. So 100 I'll be plotting. B and C I'll be joining. Joining as such that it crosses the line segment. The point B. Okay. Wherever this line I'll need little bigger. Okay. So this way B, at point B I have plotted, right? I just join it 1 minute. Okay. So this is point B. Okay. What I told you, we have to plot AC minus AB on below the line segment BC. Why AC? AC is this side, on right side, right? And AB is on left side. For that, we have to draw it at the bottom. So what I'll be doing, I'll be taking 2.5 centimeter over here. So can you check it is 2.5 centimeter? So here will be my point N. Now this N and C I have to join. Okay. N and C is to be joined. Be very particular regarding points. A minor mistake will come out with a big blunders. The difference may not come. Okay, so be very particular regarding the points, regarding the 0.1 difference also. So here I'll be keeping the taking the arc more than half of NC. Okay, and I'll be giving arc on above NC and below NC. Okay, taken. Then what I'll be doing below NC. Then I'll be keeping the pointer on N, intersecting the previous arc, intersecting the previous arc. Okay, till here, done. Now what I have to do, I have to join this points. Length of AB you're measuring, it is 11.5 centimeter. Sorry, it's 11.1 centimeter. AB 11.1 centimeter. Then AC I have to measure. AC is 13.3 centimeter. Sorry, 13.5 centimeter. Yes, 13.3 centimeter. Okay. Now when I subtract this, what do I get? Here 5 minus 1 is 4 and 13 minus 12 is 2.4 centimeter. Yeah, 13.5 minus 11.1, that is 2.4 centimeter, means our construction is correct. I hope it is clear. We are on the last construction. To construct a triangle, if its perimeter means sum of all the three sides is given to us, base angle is given to us. Okay, so we will understand that with the help of an example. Construct triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA, this is the perimeter of the triangle ABC, is equal to 11.3 centimeter. Measure of angle B is given to us as 70 degree and measure of angle C is given to us as 60 degree. Okay, so here what we have to do is we have to consider angle AB plus BC plus CA is equal to PQ is equal to 11.3 centimeter. Okay, so very first thing we have to plot 11.43 centimeter, that is PQ. Okay, now here somewhere we are going to get B and C, right? B and C here somewhere. So here will be the measure of angle 70 degree and here it will be 60 degree. Okay, now what we have to do is we have to see the length of PB, that will be equal to AB. PB will be equal to AB and CQ will be equal to AC. Okay, CQ will be equal to AC, right? Now here this will be my exterior angle, right? So, sorry, these two angles are in linear pair. So measure of this is 70, means it will be 180 minus 70, that is equal to 110 degree. Okay, when I join P and A, means this base angles will be equal to one another. So as it is x, so this will also be x. Now sum of all the three angles will give me 180. So that will be equal to 2x plus 110 equal to 180, right? So 2x is equal to 70 again. So x will be equal to 35. I hope it is clear. So similarly, measure of angle y. So 35 is half of 70, right? And similarly, the measure of angle y will also be equal to 30 degree, that is half of 60. So here what we have to do is, first we have to plot PQ, that is the sum of all the three sides as the base, and we have to draw angle P and angle Q with the respective measures. So whenever such type of example comes, whenever such type of problem comes, the end points, you have to take half of the measure of the base angles. Okay, here it is 70, so here it will be 35, here it is 60 at point C, so it will be 30 degree. Clear? Now here base we have to draw, that is 11.3 centimeter. Yeah, so 11.3 centimeter, 11 and 3. Yeah. So this is 11.3 centimeter. This is PQ. What I said, at P, we have to draw 35 degree. So 35 means somewhere here. And I have to draw the line passing through it. Okay, give an arrow to it. And at Q, here it is 35. Yes. And at Q, you draw 30 degree. So here you have to take outer scale now, because outer scale 0 is coinciding. So 30 and that point you have to join. Sorry, Q and that point you have to join. Now wherever these two rays are intersecting, that ray will be my point A. Okay, because BC is given to us, base angles are given to us, so that will be at the bottom, right? Now how you're going to plot B and C? For that, what we have to do, we have to take perpendicular bisector of PA to get the point B on PQ, and you have to take perpendicular bisector of QA, so that we will get the point C on PQ, right? So perpendicular bisector of PA means what we have to do, we have to take more than half of PA, right? So more than half of PA I'll take. So wherever it intersects, you draw the line segment, right? You draw the arc. Then keep the pointer on P, intersect the previous arc, right? Now wherever the arcs are intersecting, you draw the line passing through it. Fine. Now wherever this line is intersecting PQ, that will be my point B. Okay. I'll be joining B over here with A. This way. Right? As I told you, BA measure will be equal to PB. Okay, and these two are equal to one another as it is the bisector of PA. Clear? Now what I'll be doing, I'll be drawing the perpendicular bisector of AQ. So AQ means more than half of AQ. So here and here the arcs will be there. By keeping the pointer on Q. Then by keeping the pointer of your compass on A, intersect the previous arc. Now there will be many arcs. You have to be very, very particular regarding it. Okay, a minor change or a minor mistake may give you the wrong measures. Okay. So this line is intersecting PQ at this particular point, right? That point we will consider it as C. And I'll be joining this to A, right? Now what I'll be doing, I'll be measuring the angle C. It's coming as equal to 70 degree. A minor change may be there because I am human being. I am bound to do the mistakes. But if you get the correct one, it's very good, right? So it is 70, approximately 70. Yes, mine is coming 71. So it's acceptable. Okay. And the next one is 60. So here we are with 60, right? See the line 60 over here. Okay. Now what I have to do, I have to measure length of AB, measure length of AB, measure length of BC, and measure length of AC. And with this lens, what I have to do, I have to check whether the construction is correct or not. Okay. So AB I'll be checking now with the help of my scale. So you will see that it is 3.7. No, 3.8. So AB is 3.8 centimeter. Then AC I'll be checking. Just check out. So it is 4.1 centimeter. Yep, 4.1 centimeter. And BC is BC is 3.4 centimeter. Add now. When you will add this is 12, 13, 3 over here, 1 carry, 6, 7 and 4. It's 11. So the construction is correct. It's accurate. So here we complete with the chapter 4, construction of a triangle. I hope you all have understood. Thank you. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Have a good day.